In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect Google Maps to your car Bluetooth. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. On Settings, we need to get into Bluetooth. First off, make sure that toggle next to Bluetooth turned on, and after that you need to search for your car in that list, in My Devices or in Other Devices, and once you find it, just tap on it to connect to your car. After that, you will be able to use your car speakers to navigate via Google Maps. And now I'm gonna show you another cool feature. If we head over to Google Maps, let me reopen that app. So guys, once you are at Google Maps, first off, tap right here at your profile picture, then head over to Settings. Then towards the top, tap at Navigation, and in here I recommend you to turn on that option, which is called Play Voice over Bluetooth, and also I recommend you to turn on Play as Bluetooth Phone Call. By doing that, you allow Google Maps application to use your car speakers to play voice and phone calls over Bluetooth. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.